Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we will be tackling another cat project. About 2 years ago, 3 years ago, I made a scratching post for our cats and it worked really well until they all ganged up, had a meeting and decided to make it their personal mission to destroy it, which they have. As you can see, it is now gone. Therefore, today I'm going to be fixing this and also upgrading it at the same time. This wood base that's on the bottom here is it's had a rough time. It's a bit cracked and not that great anymore, so I'm going to be replacing the wood base and then putting a new rope on, because how they got through this rope, it kind of makes you realize why you should be nice to cats, because if they can go through a rope this thick, then imagine what they can do. Anyways, I'm going to be replacing the base, new rope, and then I want to put a little platform on the top for them so they can have a little bit of height. And then I also want to put some carpet on the top and in the bottom base. Alright, I'm going to quickly take this off, take it apart, and then we will start rebuilding and improving. This is all that's left. As you can see, this was an offcut before. This is why I love offcuts. You can always use them again. This is the only part I'm going to use from the old scratching post. The rope is in the dustbin, the wood is gone. this build. Now comes the part with the rope. For this next part, I'm not going to use a stick, I'm actually going to use a brush to apply this glue. I don't want to get the glue on the carpet, and I need to get it nice on the wood. Evenly spread so it doesn't run down, because gravity is now against me. While I'm waiting for the glue to dry, I'm going to attach the rope with a little nail, so I have something to pull on to do it tightly. And then we're going to start this process of rolling this rope. It's going to take a while. Alright, the glue is ready. Time to start wrapping. I'm not gonna lie, that was a workout. I can feel it in my thumbs. to get it a nice pattern like this, you have to press really hard to make sure it gets contact with the glue. And I'm gonna be honest, I thought this rope was gonna be way too long. This is a 15-meter rope that I bought. And there's 10 centimeters left. I cannot believe it. But boy, it looks nice. Well, there you go. This was a little project, a quick little project. It was hard work. I'm not going to lie, it was really hard work, but it was a quick little project. I hope you enjoyed it. I unfortunately cannot show you how a cat is scratching the pole, how a cat's using it, because after the last time I featured a cat in a video, their agent contacted me and said that they want to negotiate a price increase, so I'm only joking. I'll give them some time to get used to this, and then I will record a little video how they are using it and how they are enjoying it, and then I will post that on my social media account. So make sure that you look in the description below. My social media account is there. Please follow me, and then you'll get to see that. But for now, I thank you for joining me on this quick little build, something I should have done a long time ago. The cats decided to use our furniture while this one was in the shop. So hopefully they'll stop using the furniture now. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you'd like to see me do more things like this. I have other cat projects in mind, but it's not the only thing I do. I do other things as well. But yeah, if you want to see more and you enjoyed this video, please share it, please subscribe. I really do appreciate your support. Until next time, make your best life. Oh man, I probably should have put wood glue inside. Why? Every time. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to... I've never glued carpet to wood before, I can say that for certain. I've used glue obviously before, but never glued carpet to wood. It's going to be a first for me. It almost looks like honey, but it doesn't smell like honey.